Hello cute children, I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a cartoon butterfly for you. So please watch full video to have fun. So we get started. So for this purpose we have to draw a head between the paper. Okay, little head we have drawn. So now it's turn to make a eyes. 1, 2. Okay, so now it's antennas turn to, so it will be at the end of the spiral. Okay, the same here, the other one, go and make a spiral. Really amazing. So one, okay, so now it's more, it's body. For body we have to draw a U shape. Amazing. So now we have to draw our wings. So for this purpose you can turn as well. You have to draw a 3, go 1 and come back to here. Okay, so again for this purpose we have to draw again this one and go, stop there, and for okay, no worries if it's not equals, we are just here to have fun, so enjoy it. So now we have to draw design. For design I have to draw a round here and round here. Amazing. And one small and small here. Okay, so now it's, oh, I forgot the legs. Yupo. So now it's more, you can say, you can feel it, she is or he is flying, so you can make a way. So with dotted line it look like she's or he is flying. So amazing. So now we turn to make a color. For this purpose I have chosen these 2 colors. You can choose on your choice. So we meet after color. So Yupu, our butterfly is ready. So if you like, you don't like these colors, you can change, and if you feel that I'm making fast, you can pause the video and make it, then you can resume the video. So it's not like that, it's equal everything. We are just for having fun. So please subscribe my channel and watch always full video, and be careful until the next video, and we meet in next video. Take care, bye bye.